Leah, Papilla. Whoa.
Be careful of that doll.
Be careful of that car, huh? Whoa, did you just push Leah? Be careful, honey.
I pushed.
You pushed her? What? Did Jonah push you? Oh yeah? Yeah.
I put tape on.
Really? Wow. What was that? What? Oops, did you fall? You okay? Need some help? Are you okay?